In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Sephora app not working. To fix the Sephora app when it's not working, you could start with these common troubleshooting steps. What you need is, first thing first, you want to make sure to check your internet connection. So open up settings on your device. Then you want to go to network and internet. You could switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data as well. As you're in the same page, you want to go to apps as well, locate Sephora and make sure to go to storage and cache and clear cache as well. After you've done this, you want to make sure to close the background running app, restart your device, and that should also definitely help you out. If that's not the case, you want to make sure to go to your app store, type in Sephora Beauty and Makeup and all that on the search bar, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Despite doing all these steps, if nothing works out, then you could simply uninstall Sephora Beauty app and then you could reinstall it. That should definitely help you out. If nothing works out, you also want to make sure to check whether you have any sort of VPN or extension installed to your device. You might want to disable that, and that should definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.